Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, bad breath, or as we medical professionals call it, halitosis. Let's be honest, bad breath can be embarrassing, but it's important to remember that it's often a sign of something else going on in your body. Now, there are a ton of myths and misconceptions out there about bad breath, so I want to take some time to break down the science behind it and give you some practical tips on how to freshen up. We'll cover everything from the common culprits like poor oral hygiene to the lesser-known causes like certain medical conditions. Stick around to learn the top reasons why you might be experiencing bad breath and, most importantly, how to tackle it head-on. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of fresh breath, good oral hygiene. You guys have heard me say this a million times, but brushing and flossing are non-negotiable. When you don't brush and floss regularly, food particles get stuck in your mouth. Think about it. That little piece of spinach from your salad this afternoon. Yeah, if you didn't floss, it's still there chilling between your teeth. And you know what loves to feast on those leftover particles? Bacteria. As bacteria break down food debris, they release smelly sulfur compounds. Yep, that's the unpleasant odor we know as bad breath. And it doesn't stop there. Over time, that bacterial buildup can also lead to plaque and tartar, which can further contribute to bad breath and even gum disease. The takeaway here is simple. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. And don't forget to floss at least once a day. Trust me, your breath will thank you for it. You are what you eat, right? Well, your breath is a pretty good indicator of your diet too. Certain foods, while delicious, can wreak havoc on your breath. We're talking about the usual suspects like garlic, onions, and even some spices. These foods contain sulfur compounds that, once digested, are absorbed into your bloodstream and released through your lungs when you exhale. So, unfortunately, brushing your teeth after a garlicky meal might not completely mask the odor. Now, before you swear off garlic bread forever, remember that moderation is key. Enjoy these foods in moderation and try to balance them out with other fresh, crunchy options like fruits and vegetables. And a pro tip: if you know you'll be in a situation where you need fresh breath, try to avoid these foods altogether or pop a sugar-free mint afterward. Ever wake up in the morning with that dreaded morning breath? Well, one of the main culprits is actually dry mouth. You see, saliva plays a crucial role in keeping your mouth clean and your breath fresh. Think of saliva as your mouth's natural mouthwash. It helps wash away food particles, neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, and even contains enzymes that kill bacteria. But when you're dehydrated or your mouth isn't producing enough saliva, things can get a little, shall we say, smelly. Several things can lead to dry mouth, like certain medications, medical conditions, and even simply breathing through your mouth. But the good news is there are ways to combat it. Make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day, chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva production, and if you're dealing with chronic dry mouth, talk to your doctor or dentist. There are treatments available. Okay, folks, we need to talk about tobacco. Smoking or chewing tobacco is not only terrible for your overall health, but it's also a one-way ticket to Stinky Breath City. Tobacco products contain thousands of chemicals, many of which are downright harmful and contribute to that stale, smoky smell in your mouth. But it's not just the immediate aftermath of a cigarette or chewing tobacco. Tobacco use can also lead to more serious oral health problems, like gum disease and even oral cancer, which can further exacerbate bad breath. I know quitting tobacco can be incredibly tough, but trust me, your breath and your body will thank you for it in the long run. There are tons of resources available to help you quit, so talk to your doctor about finding a plan that works for you. Now, while most cases of bad breath are related to oral hygiene and lifestyle factors, sometimes it can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. For example, gum disease, sinus infections, acid reflux, and even diabetes can all manifest as bad breath. These conditions can create an environment in your mouth where odor-causing bacteria can thrive. If you're practicing good oral hygiene, avoiding trigger foods, and staying hydrated, but still can't seem to shake that bad breath, it's essential to consult with your doctor or dentist. They can help you rule out any underlying medical conditions and recommend a course of treatment. Remember, your breath can sometimes be a window into your overall health, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. So there you have it, the top reasons for bad breath and, more importantly, how to fix it. Remember, Maintaining fresh breath is about more than just masking the odor. It's about taking care of your overall oral health and well-being. By following the tips we discussed today, you can confidently sport a healthy smile and fresh breath. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and leave a comment below. See you next time.